The Clubhouse is London's leading business members club and meeting space. And really the main idea is to fill a gap between co-working spaces and service offices on the one hand and meeting in hotel lobbies and coffee shops on the other. It's a very premium, very professional and hopefully very productive, very vibrant, energetic, buzzing place in which people come and work and meet their clients.
The design of the space is very much how I would like a home office to be. It's a home office away from home in many respects, so it's comfortable for somebody to be able to work in. But it's also premium and somewhere you'd be happy to invite clients into, knowing that you're going to get the service that you expect, but also knowing that the space is a little bit wow, it's a little bit special.
We really try and blend residential interior design and boutique hotel interior design into an otherwise commercial space. One thing is to kind of create a beautiful workspace or create a meeting space, but it's nothing without the people. So it's a great member community that we have, and it's a great team that we have at the Clubhouse to help facilitate that. Service is at the forefront of what we do, and we want to make sure that whether you're a member of ours, whether you're just coming to us for the day, or whether you're a guest of one of our members, that you receive the best possible service you can, very similar to what you'd experience in a leading 5-star hotel.
Our aim is to make our members and their businesses more successful, and if we can do that by providing the right space, the right environment, the correct community, and we can pull that together using our personal touch, which is our aim, then I think that's what makes it unique.